All right, folks. Well, it's 70 degrees out now, and just a few days shy of the blizzard we had. You see, my grass is turning all green now, and my little sign is falling over, though. The wind is still blowing. I wanted to point out something. My fence is broken still. The post is all gone. So the insurance guy was here, looked at it, said that they're not going to do much with it. So that means I'm going to have to do something with that. But what I wanted to point out was my grill. This is what happened after the blizzard. Look at this. All along here, all this dirt. What happened was literally everybody got hounded and pounded. You see my topper over there. Everything, all the snow, when it came down, it was absorbing all the dust and dirt that was in the air and literally turned everybody's car into a giant mud pit. Literally everything is coated in dirt and mud. So now everyone's got to take their cars to the car wash, scrub everything down. I'm out here, as you see, I'm out here cleaning my windows because they're just covered in filthy dirt. I'd say that like you didn't know dirt was filthy, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, even on the house, there's nothing but coatings of dirt. Just ridiculous. So that was the blizzard.